Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how can you create employee survey in Google Forms. So first you can open Google Forms. So first you can open the Google Chrome and select grid icon at the top right and just scroll down until you find Forms. Just click on it to open the Google Forms. Right, so here's the interface like this. So you can add or you can enter the title and description before, but I think you have to prepare the survey materials in advance, like starting from starting from title, description, question, and you can write in the notes like this, or you can write on Google Docs. Alright, just copy paste. For example, copy paste for title and description. So you can add a new page. Just click on add section. But I don't um, I don't want to create a new page. Just click add question. This add icon to add the question. So you can make it easier. So I use it to make a survey by selecting the option multiple choice grid. So this question, you are just going to add the question. For example, just copy paste and to as before until the end of the question. Right. So you can create the answer according to the information in the description. So which is yes or no. Select yes or no into copy paste again. Alright. So you can preview. This is the interface. So the respondent just select the answer yes or no. Right, just click submit. So before you share the link, you can settings the option. For example, you can turn on limit to 1 responses, and you can see for the responses. Just click responses and click link to see to find the responses. All right, just click send to send the link to your employee. Right, that's how you can create the employee survey using Google Forms. I hope this simple tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.